Now, Anish.
Úsáidin mé an Gaeilge imach an ó mar nuair a dil mé arás go dtí gáileh 8 bliain ó shin, bhí bródarm go raibh Gaeilge le cristáil i lár an chachrach. Bhain mé taitneamh as an Gaeilge nuair a bhí mé ag staidir éis sa scoil, agus bhí bringlóid agam go bhhaithliom lífa sa Gaeilge. The classes we provide are kind of very natural, a natural link with learning a language because they're playful and they're linking with music and language have a lot, and also with movement, particularly with the yoga and stuff like that. And we find that you can broaden children's vocabulary very quickly through using music and yoga. The advantages of using Irish in business for C-SideSound is that it's meant that we've had more opportunities for to give classes, particularly in the after school of the Gael School. Fuair mé deis mo chuid Gaeilge a úsáid nuair chosí mé ag múnú rangana tar éis na scoile i Gael School Dara. Is unique selling point an Gaeilge don chathair go háirithe le stadas dá changach bantamach agus má bhfuil an chathair ag dul chun cinn baim mo an ó féin freisin. Na planana atá agam ná dul arás go dtí ina siar chum a chuid lífach a dheabhsú. Tá obair le déanamh le C-SideSound ar an Steve Grayson freisin, bua blog a hosú comá.